students, today from chapter 3.4 we answer two questions. Where does the soul reside in the body? The scriptures explain that soul resides within the region of heart. The tiny soul is floating in five kinds of air called pran, apana, van, saman and udana. It is situated within the heart. When the soul is purified from material contamination, it is sparkling spiritual influences exhibited. Mukunda Upanishad 3.1.9. The spiritual soul does not reside between the eyebrows, Agna Chakra, or at the top of the head, Shastra Chakra. Mediation on the subtle energy centers within our body is not purely spiritual because the chakras deal with material willpower, peace, or physical emotional healing. The word soul is sometimes used to indicate the body or the mind. For example, a famous series of books like The Chicken Soup for the Teenager's Soul, Doctor Soul, Poor Soul, Hardworking Soul, etc. refer to soul as outer gross body. People also relate to their partners as soulmates when they seek emotional compatibility. However, in current context, the soul implies our innermost essence, the Sat Chit Anand spiritual body, eternal, conscious, and blissful. As the sun spreads light from a fixed place, the soul spreads awareness throughout the body from the heart region. I guess this answers the question, where does the soul reside in the body? The next question, which is, what happens to the soul during a heart transplant? If it resides in the region of the heart, then what happens during a heart transplant? The spiritual soul remains untouched in a heart transplant operation. It is only the gross heart organ that changes. The soul is not a solid object in the heart like a SIM card in a mobile phone. It is the electric current that fits within the gadget. While the soul exists in the heart region, it remains in a sacred spiritual place. Therefore, the soul is not removed when we have a change or a transfer of heart. We can also compare our body to a car and the radiator in the heart in a heart transplant operation. If the soul leaves body during the surgery, the person dies.